Welcome! This video will explain the steps needed to log in to your MSRS account and Voya. This video is intended for participants who have retirement plans administered by MSRS. By the end of this video, you will do two things. Recognize that a recent system update requires you to take new steps to access your account, and also you'll follow the steps to log in to your MSRS account and Voya. Now we will explain the recent system update that will require you to take new steps to access your account. Effective July 1st, 2025, Voya Financial became the new record keeper for MSRS administered plans. This has resulted in a change to the login process when participants log in after July 1st. Your MSRS login credentials did not change. However, you will be prompted to register your account with the new record keeper, Voya. Now, we will cover the steps to log in when you're logging in for the first time since July 1st, 2025. Step 1. Visit the MSRS website at www.mnretire.gov. Step 2. Select the red Login button. Step 3. Enter your username and password for MSRS Account Online, then select the blue Login button. Step 4. Select Go to Savings Plans. Step 5. Select account activity that occurred July 1st, 2025 or after. Then select Continue. At step 6, this screen will appear and no action is needed. Step 7. Select Continue. At this step, you will begin creating your new credentials for Voya that we mentioned earlier in the video. There are a few important things to note. These credentials you're creating are new. This is a one-time establishment of new credentials for Voya. These Voya credentials are separate from the MSRS Account Online credentials you entered back in step 3. Because they are separate, the Voya credentials you create on this screen will not change your MSRS credentials. So step 8 is create a username. Step 9, create a password and confirm the password. Step 10, enter your email and mobile number. Step 11, select the box next to I agree, then select Continue. Step 12, enter your mobile number for account verification, then select the Send Verification Code button. We strongly recommend using your mobile number for account verification. Step 13, enter the verification code, then select the Verify button. Step 14, select one of the options, then select the Continue button. Step 15, success! You are now logged in. For all future visits, you will enter your MSRS Account Online login credentials, select Go to Savings Plan, and you'll be taken directly to the Voya landing page. Thank you. We appreciate your patience with this change and we are here to support you. Please contact MSRS if you ever need support. Thanks again.